Hello everyone, and welcome back. Less than 20 minutes ago I dug up all the potatoes in the garden. I have one of my red potatoes and one of the yellow potatoes. I'm going to throw them in the oven and bake them, and we'll see which one tastes better. Alright everyone, let's try this out. The red potato wins. Anybody that watches this channel knows that all I do is eat red potatoes. Let's try the yellow one too. That's actually a really good potato too. When they're this new and they're this fresh out of the garden, there's not a big difference at all. I'm also always partial to the red ones, and they are a little bit sweeter, but the yellow one is delicious also. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I'll actually do a video where I do the yellow and the red and the purple all together, and we'll give that a try here coming up, I don't know, within the next week or so. I'll see you guys in the next video.